This video explains how to buy shares of Coeptis Therapeutics Holdings Inc, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company. Coeptis trades on NASDAQ under the ticker COEP, and this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker COEP to locate Coeptis Therapeutics Holdings Inc. Make sure you pick the listing that trades on NASDAQ to reach the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent activity. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker COEP to ensure this is the correct stock. To invest, click the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your Coeptis position will appear in your portfolio. Check the link in the description to follow the same steps on eToro.